So I made a thing that I'd show you my interpretation on a grinding jig. There's no welding involved on this one, so this is all put together with JB Weld. And I thought I'd show you what it looked like. This basically uses some Simpson strong tie plates, JB welded to a big piece of angle steel. Angle adjustment is done with these knobs. There's a hinge underneath here, and then I can use the holes here in this plate basically to secure the piece that I'm working on. I also put a piece of Lexan on the bottom that's kind of hard to see, but you can sort of see it here. The idea there is just to keep it from, provide a smooth surface for working on my grinder on the work table. And so anyway, it's certainly not life altering, but thought it was pretty cool. I made it for about, I don't know, $20 in parts or so. But it seems to function well. Yeah, that's it. So that's the thing I made. Thought it might give you some ideas.